Hey everyone, this is AJ from Mobius, and today we're going to demonstrate how to uncrate the Mobius MBX Bucker. To uncrate the MBX, we only need to remove one side panel, so orient your crate with the side labeled "Open this end" facing your working area. The only tool you'll need for the next steps is a drill with a Phillips head bit. Remove the wood screws around the perimeter of the side panel and then finish up by removing the screw on the top panel that is securing the side panel in place. Set this aside for later use. Next, remove the 2x4s that are securing the base of the MBX by removing the screws on the outside of the crate. There are 2 screws at the ends of each 2x4 that need to be removed. Remove and set aside the box with the cleaning die plates for the bucker. Now we're going to use the side panel as a ramp to roll the MBX out of the crate. Place the side panel with the top wood block facing up and toward the machine, using the lip of the crate base for support. We recommend using one of the screws you've removed to secure the ramp into place. Now you can unlock the casters and roll your new Mobius MBX into action. For more information on the Mobius MBX Bucker, including the user guide and other instructional videos, please visit mobiustrimmer.com.